Welcome. You're about to enhance your experience with Virtual 5G Express Plus, bringing ease, speed, and smooth streaming right to your fingertips. Let's get started by opening the App Sphere and downloading Virtual 5G Express Plus for TikTok. Once the download is complete, proceed with the installation. This ensures Virtual 5G Express Plus is ready to deliver fast, secure, and reliable performance for all your streaming needs. After installing Virtual 5G Express Plus, open the app, navigate to the Play Store, and download the TikTok app. This completes the setup for an enhanced streaming experience, and connect to a server of your choice. Select the location that works best for you to optimize your connection for seamless streaming. With Virtual 5G Express Plus connected to your preferred server, ready to go, you're all set for a seamless experience. Whether you're watching trending videos or exploring new content, Virtual 5G Express Plus ensures fast, stable connectivity, even in areas with limited network coverage.